Hi, my name is Olivia Beatty, and the topic I choose to speak about today is the media around NIL and how it influences student athletes. What is NIL? In the simplest terms, name, image, and likeness is a term that describes the means through which college athletes are allowed to receive financial compensation. NIL refers to the use of an athlete's name, image, and likeness through marketing and promotion. This can include autographs, signing, product endorsement, social media posts, and more. At the same time, it's important to understand what NIL does not mean. NCAA rules prevent schools from paying players directly because the NCAA still intends to maintain its amateur sports status. Paying athletes for their play on the field is impossible. However, NIL is the workaround for athletes to get paid without technically being considered professional athletes who make a living in their sport. Okay, now let's talk about the benefits and drawbacks of NIL deals. The first benefit is that NIL can provide financial support for athletes who may not come from wealthy backgrounds, and with school and practice every day, they have no time to earn a livable income from a part-time job. The next benefit being that NIL can help student athletes prepare for their future by allowing them to build their personal brand while still in college. By securing endorsements during college years, athletes can develop important business skills and create valuable connections that can benefit them in their future careers. Now, for college sports, there is a major benefit that NIL makes players stay in college longer. Because the top athletes can now make good money playing their sport in college, it gives them the incentive to finish out the remainder of their degree rather than jumping to the pros after meeting their minimal school requirement. This then increases fan engagement and interest, and college sports will be able to compete with professional sports leagues. However, the negatives are that some athletes may become overly focused on their marketing opportunities, leading to arrogance and the lack of focus on team goals and their academics. For the gender inequality, male athletes in high-profile sports are likely to receive the majority of NIL money as female athletes and those in less high-profile sports. Okay, finally, many people ask if university affects NIL deals, and the answer is yes. In my research article, they found that athletes competing in top-tier university athletic programs have more followers than athletes at mid-tier programs, indicating stronger master brands positively contribute to the social media followings of student athletes. Okay, that's everything. So thank you for listening to me talk about NIL deals and how it can impact the student athlete and college sports.